chalk thing? Where's my knife? I don't know where any of my shit is. I lose my shit. All right, so if you saw my last video, then you would have seen me in the midst of building a metal bench. This is not a continuation of that video. This is a different project. So what I want to do for this project is inspired by a couple of bins of scrap metal that I've collected over the past few projects. I want to use those up, and the best way I can think to do that is to get a little creative and maybe do some sculpture stuff, some lawn art, something that I could build that looks cool to me but probably stupid to most other people. Plop it in our little, I wouldn't say a garden, but a little plot where we have plants, so I guess a garden. I guess that's what a garden's called. I don't know. But the way I'm going to start doing that, I think I was up in the air whether I wanted to just start arranging pieces and see what I can get. But I think what I'm going to start doing is just sketching on the table. I'm going to divide this into two because I don't think I want the thing to be much bigger than that, much taller than that. It's about 4 feet. And we're going to start there. And I'll see if I can get 2 sketches that can maybe get me going in the right direction, and then see what kind of pieces I have, and hopefully something will come together this weekend and people will see it in the neighborhood and maybe they'll want to buy it. Not it, but you know, something similar. I don't know what I'm talking about, but let's get to it. All right. That's it, man. That's it. It's gonna win me awards. Kind of like it. Not too much? It's too much, right? Ugh. Yeah, what the f is that? All right, so I think I like this. I think I like it a lot. It's gonna be one of those things that only a mother could love, sort of things, but I'm kind of pumped. It's just different. It's a different thing to build than what I'm normally used to. So that's what's kind of getting me amped about it. All right, so I thought about it, and I figured I'm going to simplify things. I'm going to first make the bare bone sort of structure on this. I think that's going to go there no matter what, but we'll do the bare bone structure and then we'll lift it up, see how it looks, and if I want to add more on then I will. But right now, I just want to weld something together, so that's what I'm going to do. These welds are ugly. These welds are very ugly. I don't care. You know what? I'm having a blast doing this, and I don't really know why. I mean, look at this thing. That almost might be the better way to put it up. That might be the better way to put it up. That might be what we do. Anyway, yeah, man, I'm having fun doing this for something that I'm putting together slapdash without too much thought. Man, I like it. I like it. And I can't stop saying that. Part of the thing is, you know what? I went to the doctor. I've been having an elbow thing, a little bit of golfer's elbow, I think. But I had a virtual visit with my guy yesterday, and he said it wasn't so much an elbow thing as it was a wrist thing. In any event, my elbow's been hurting, but my guy prescribed me some steroids, which I took the first dose earlier this morning, and I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty energized. The cold brew probably helps, but I definitely noticed a little bit of a pep, which he told me would be a side effect. I'll take it. So I'm going to keep welding here, though. All right, so this is the thing. Our garden art, our lawn sculpture, whatever you want to call it. Man, I keep saying that I like it, but I like it. The welds are disgusting. They look like shit. They were done too fast, too hot, and on pretty dirty and rusty metal, which is not a good mix. But it can be cleaned up. But yeah, man, I kind of like how it's standing, and I can see it in our front yard with our little not sativa, what are they? Lavender, with our little lavender plants, and I don't know what else we have out there. I know we have a juga. A juga's out there somewhere in the front, but this isn't going in the front, the very front. It's cool. It's a nice little change of pace. It's a nice way to get back into the shop after the garage has been unusable for so long. And yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know where I should go from here. I might just hit it with a rust solution and get the whole thing rusty and then clear coat it afterwards, but there's gotta be some shine, some pop. I also have the Presto Black I can hit with the blackened patina. So maybe just a combo of all of those things. I don't know, but it's definitely gonna be a thing, completed, and in our yard. A yard thing. So, cool. See you next time. The other thing we could do is